Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into something super exciting: urban gardening hacks. Whether you live in a small apartment, on a rooftop, in the middle of the city, these gardening hacks will help you turn even the smallest of spaces into a thriving garden. Hack number 1: container gardening. Don't let the lack of ground space hinder you from planting your favorite vegetables and herbs. Pretty much anything could become a planter. Do you have old buckets or cracked mugs lying around? Upcycle them into plant containers, and as long as they have drainage holes, they are good to go. Make sure to punch some drainage holes at the bottom to prevent root rot. The best part is you can move them around to catch the best of sunlight. Hack number 2: vertical gardening. This is a total game changer if you're short on space. You can use fences, you can use walls, you can even use railings to hang or mount your planters. You can use tiered shelves, you can use fabric wall pockets, or simply just recycle plastic bottles and help with climate change. Vertical gardening is perfect for crops like strawberry, lettuce, and herbs. It also looks amazing and adds a lot of green to your space without taking much of your precious floor space. Hack number 3: self-watering system. Now let's talk about self-watering systems. If you're worried of watering your plants while you're away or tend to forget watering them, this hack is for you. All you need is a plastic bottle and a string. Fill the bottom half with water and place the top upside down like this. So the string acts like a wick, drawing water into the soil, keeping your soil moist for days. Hack number 4: companion planting. Under companion planting, this is whereby you plant crops that benefit each other. For example, you can plant basil and tomatoes. They grow well together. Basil repels pests that typically attack tomatoes. By knowing which plants make good neighbors, you can maximize on your yield while at the same time keeping away pests and avoiding the use of harmful chemicals. Hack number 5: composting in small spaces. You don't need a big yard or a compost heap to start composting. A small airtight bin works just fine. You can use kitchen scraps like vegetable peels, coffee grounds, and even eggshells. Keep turning your compost once a week, and in a few months you will have rich compost that you will feed to your plants. No space goes to waste here. Hack number 6: maximizing sunlight. Sunlight is key to a thriving garden, and in the city you need to be creative. Track the sun's movement throughout the day and place your plants accordingly. South-facing windows or balconies get the best light. You can use mirrors or light-covered surfaces to reflect light onto your plants. This is a clever way of having them have sunlight without moving them around. And there you have it. Simple, effective hacks for turning any urban space into a thriving urban garden. And whether you're planting food or growing herbs or just in need of greenery to brighten your space, these tips will help you make the most of what you've got. Thank you so much for watching. If you found these hacks helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe for more gardening tips. Let me know in the comment section below which hack is your favorite among these, and if you have any more to share. Happy gardening!